Good morning, children. Let us start with continue with our lesson, keeping safe, safety rules at school. Now you had checked how safety rules are being. Safety rules should be followed at home. In the same way, some safety rules are to be followed at school also. So do not throw your pencil, pen, eraser or chalk at each other. Do not climb over desk. Do not play in the classroom. Do not run and play. Where you have to run and play? Do not run and play in the corridor. Play and run in the playground. Do not run around benches in the classroom. Be careful while using scissors and needles. Walk in a line. Do not push each other for going ahead. Do not run on or play on the stairs or in corridors. Next is safety rules on the playground. Do not hit others with anything. You people have the habit of throwing stones at each other. Do not run or on an uneven ground. You may fall down. Be careful on the swings and seesaw. Wear proper uniform and use safety guards like pads, gloves and helmets while playing. And do not hit or push anyone while playing. These are the safety rules of the school. Do not wear loose fitting clothes while playing. Do be careful while playing in a park or playground or having a barbed wire fencing. Do not play games like hide and seek in a dark and lonely places. Then we come to the safety rules on the road, which you are familiar with. You should walk on the footpath. Where you have to cross the road, you have to cross the road at the zebra crossing only. You have to follow the traffic lights. Do not get off or get in from a moving vehicle. Never play on the road. Subways, you have seen the subways. Subways are underground pathways. Because of the busy road, they have been made to cross the roads, busy roads. Use subways to avoid accidents. Don't cross on the busy roads. Hold hand of an adult while crossing the road. While riding a bicycle, always give signal before a turn. Next is first aid. What is first aid? When a person meets with an accident or gets hurt, he or she needs an immediate help. The help which we give, that is first aid. First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. If one of your friends gets hurt, then you need to give him first aid before the doctor comes. Given below are the first aid tips in the certain situations. In certain situations, what first aid you will be giving, it's given there. Remain calm. Do not crowd around the injured person. Don't गर्दी मत कीजिए, भीड़ मत बनाए बढ़ाइए. Clean the cut with antiseptic and clean water. Do not let the wound bleed loosely. Tie a clean hanky around the wound. Make the injured person sit or lie down. Keep the wounded part high to stop the bleeding from flowing. In case of burns, it should be cooled under cold running water till it stops hurting. Comfort the injured person while you wait for the doctor to arrive. Now just we'll go through the lesson. Let's remember, accidents can happen anywhere. Safety rules should be followed at home, in school, on the road and in the playground. Learn and follow safety rules. First aid is the first thing we do to help the injured person. Thank you and have a nice day.